bam bang 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 bang. Bring bang 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 bang.
All right, I know we have got trending stories on social media that happen every day on Wednesday. Umzala uthe Donna and can't wait ukuzwa uthi WhatsApp ngoma 9 loSipho but mina ngithi asidumelane kube kahle kube mnandi.
Indaba zabantu. Frase sekama philiti. Mayibuya. Frase. Stop sir. Stop sir. Mayibuya. Whatever. Sipho Mason. Go get them.
Storms of girls some serious.
I can't get it for Simote Kingdom Blue. Uma 9 uphela umoya du. Wonke umuntu yazo Sipho fotavu. Mana ngishayele vest na kusale kunuka phu. Wathi ufuna uladi yele thola nomsoho. Musukutatazela wena sporo singa enzo. The obeki for Messi dlala u9 ngamezi u10. Stop sign this is the wrong 10. Mina ngiyi1 bayi10 ngaba slicer. Mana kancane wena twin liga slicer. I sata sit here for the kill. But man made a bomb glad you nigga got a pill. One hard money get the fire burning. Get the fire burning. Ding a ling made a ring a ting. My 9 is ting. Dreadlock when the dumbbells wire ze penti. Man I go 5 4 5 6 my 9 at least is scared. So go where nyati my 9 give me tinzef. Name your top 5 bola wire I'm the best. Mira wonder was the freshest of them all. Your color selling low. Swagalo my babo. Se feel kasongo but ulewe yinyongo. Hey safe kambe tengi omolana uko safe. Now what there for your gem. Back to my 9. Get the bloom on everything. Excellent no hello. Utwankata portable. I guess I'm the shit to grab and with some sabano. Pussy man andize ngokomani. Ngaso busubani I'm your worst nightmare. Ekasnya kabandela. I'm coming after you. Ngalo miso follow man. But to see pogala send correct I follow man. But it's still space tengo elo nangi mas. But it's ya chelela lana stop macharini. Crime won't stop my 9. Unganling. But 34 million but change plate. Now niggas looking at my plate. But you see putlangu menu minangi lupe. My 9 is a G. I gotta play the string. Busy hopping on the same string. Sweet. I'm the king. Him and Gosimba Nukala. It's 17 is lake when they smash. I'm a big JC. Manangi itifu. Yamazutanisa lo wago masugu. Opalipi Metro. I think it's a psycho. Opalum Sangano. Ukuda culture mega. Gatulus Komota. Joyful stop poking your nose in my business. Focus on your podcast. And MCs without a K. Anada. Percentage. Ukambuzenzu meset. Aula sen. Lights wago bula wayo. Tegu kusu tiflo. Kona ngape msiligas. Chica joy. Oya chuno bafo. I can't see you sayana J. Rest. Is that Tabas about comment section man?
All right, so Bule statement that was released from his end. Okay, I'm going to read it quickly. ST Ndabazabantu Entertainment would like to appeal to Henson Lovo, alias Man9, to apologize for insulting Sibomisa. Man9 took this for an insult, went to release a diss track that contained all sorts of insults from body shaming to defamation. Ndabazabantu Entertainment would like to demand a public apology from Man9 and Wazim family. We would appreciate if he offers an apology in the next 72 hours. They gave you a timeline. Statement. When you press statement lava from Man9 and Wazim Entertainment la umana inuthi
okay kumbe mina vele mina aza konflow okay ngikhamba lo manager wami la when maybe posanga ngikhuluma lapho uthi maybe ukhamba nyanda.
All right, manager sandela says what must happen now?
Tena uSipho kuthiwa yini kahle kahle entertainment group yakhe kumbe company angazi ukuthiwa
indaba zabantu
indaba zabantu
yes indaba zabantu
Tina is wasn't family as King 1000 management wasn't family sithi indaba zabantu with all due respect sithi for phela nje nothing much.
Okay,
you can't apologize to such things. Actually they want to crash Man9 akuqalanga this that's what they need. So Tina, we are ready.